This is the program which is running in Bombay also in some schools. But in UP, I suppose this is the first one. This is the first school to introduce this diploma program. This is for 11th and 12th students and is meant for students who go after 12th, who pass out 12th. Now, this when they take this IB program, then the diploma they get, the certificate they get, will be recognized in all the world over.
Globe, all over the globe.
Everywhere, wherever you want to go for admissions, and nowadays we know that our world is just like a city for us. Why? Because of our mobile, because of our comes straight away to us within minutes. So we can say that we are within minutes to each other. Now we cannot, our children will not be able to survive in the years after if they just think about Hardoi, if they just think about UP, if they just think about India, they have to recognize that we are a universal citizen. हम इस पूरी दुनिया के एक सिटीजन हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि हम सबसे एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं, एक मिनट में जुड़े हुए हैं। तो हमको ये बात, दिस इज व्हाट आवर आईबी मिशन इज ऑल अबाउट विच आई एम टुडे गिविंग यू एन इंट्रोडक्शन. My part is as an HOD that I have to give you introduction to the mission of our school, that why we want to affiliate ourselves with International Baccalaureate. Now this is a DP program, that is International Baccalaureate gives all the programs. It gives in nursery KG, it gives in junior schools 1 to 5, then it gives till middle school, that is 6 to 8, 6 to 9th, I suppose. And then this is the last one, that is the DP program, which is meant for 11th and 12th. Now the question arises, why did I take this GP program for 11th and 12th? Because as it is, we are giving your children education and international education. And once we have affiliated for ICSC, ISC school, ISC curriculum, we can only ISC school can go for this IB education. Anyone else will not be, any other school will not be allowed to go for IB unless unless it has an international affiliate curriculum in its school. And ICSC is a international curriculum. This is the reason that we have our IB brothers have agreed to give us this affiliation. And regarding this, they have said that we have interaction with you also, so that the parents and the teachers and the students understand what they are going to get after first time. There has to be an inquisitiveness in us. We must find out. It must not be ratification. जो हमने किताब में पढ़ लिया वही हमारा फाइनल है. No, हमारी अपनी inquisitiveness आनी चाहिए. So the International Baccalaureate aims to develop inquiring, knowledgeable, and caring young women, young people who help to create a better and more peaceful world through intercultural understanding
भाई
and
नो एक
respect.
लोग या तो इसको आयुष को बोलो.
Now, understanding international understanding. What is international understanding? International understanding is knowing about each country, what is their beliefs, what are their thought process, what are their foods, what are their dresses. ये इंटरनेशनली हम एक, क्योंकि मैंने कहा ना, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था, हम वी वांट टू बी इंटरनेशनल सिटीजन्स. नाउ व्हेन वी आर इंटरनेशनल सिटीजन्स, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम यहाँ पर हम सिटीजन है, तो हम अगर यूपी के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे तो हमें ये भी जानना चाहिए कि केरला में क्या हो रहा है, कि मिजोरम में क्या पहना जा रहा है, क्या खाया जा रहा है. तो अभी तो as it is we know and we appreciate it. This is the reason so many uh, we celebrate each and every festival, may it be Onam, may it be Baisakhi, may it be anything. So in the same way, we want our children to understand the world as a whole, and what are their thoughts, what are their beliefs, what are their process of learning, eating habits, their dresses, everything. So we must be very understanding. To achieve this mission, this is the mission of International Black Parade. To achieve this mission, the IB works with schools. So if they want to achieve their mission, they have to come to the schools. So they work with the school, they talk to the government, and our government's policy is to give international education in India itself, so the children don't have to bother going around all the world, because there they face many problems once they go there. वहाँ जब जाते हैं तो पैसा भी ज़्यादा खर्च होता है, उनका रहने खाना सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती है, और कभी कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए जैसे हम लोगों ने देखा, चाहे वो यूएसए में हो, चाहे वो इन सब में, तो फिर पता चलता है कि लोग भागे भागे हम लोग की तरफ, यूक्रेन में हो कितने बच्चे भागे. इसलिए our prime minister's vision is that international education should come to India itself, and the children should learn the international values in India itself. This is the reason we have got for this occasion. So, to achieve this mission, the IB works with schools, governments, and international organizations to develop challenging programs of international education, and through rigorous assessment. The assessment is absolutely different from what we have in India. In India, it is usually ratification, giving papers, and just spelling out what we have learned. But here, you have to reason out, you have to inquire. There is a different process of assessment also. The teachers will tell you how they are different. These programs aim to encourage students worldwide to become inquirers. I said, first of all, they have to be inquirers, to, to develop natural curiosity and skills for inquiring and research through surfing, through international media, through everything, through this. Knowledgeable, again, the IB wants our students to be knowledgeable, exploring how knowledgeable, to explore concepts, ideas, and issues that have local and global significance. What is important for us to be global, and what is important for us to have local also. Caring, showing empathy, compassion, and respect. Now, caring means we must respect each other, we must care for each other, we must have compassion. Compassion means दया होनी चाहिए सबके प्रति, प्राणी मात्र के प्रति, and acting to make a positive difference in the lives of others and the world as it is. Active compassionate. Now, active compassionate means engaging with the world around them. So once they are an DP programmer, the DP student, they'll have to learn and inquire and see what is going around in the world, not in Hardoi and not in India only. What is going around in the latest knowledge? That will be the latest knowledge. And lifelong learners. They do not have to stop learning after pass. This thing will be instilled into them. For example, now we, our students, our teachers, are regularly going through workshops to enhance their knowledge. So they have नया सीखने के लिए उद्यत हो. So lifelong learners, we understand that other people's and their differences. We have to accept that other people's are different and they may have a different perspective. आपका देखने का नजरिया कुछ और होगा, हमारा नजरिया होगा. ये तो सिर्फ आप में और हम में है, लेकिन जब कल्चर्स बदलते हैं, जब कंट्रीज बदलती है, तो उनका भी एक नजरिया होता है, हमारा भी नजरिया होता है. एंड वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट व्हाट दे थिंक and what they wear and what they eat. We cannot say that we are the best, and we dislike what others are doing. So we have to be lifelong learners to understand what other people with their differences can also be right, and maintaining a love of learning throughout their lives. In essence, the IB mission focuses on educating students to be internationally minded. This is the most important thing. What what our IB wants, IBDP program will make them international minded students, which will be the best thing that we can give them for the coming world. Because as the world, we know, we are jumping, we are going to have just a different platform where
This meeting, we have already informed you that we have got the candidacy of IBDP program, and now we are under the process of affiliation. So,
Authorization.
authorization, which is
authorization. Now we are under the process of authorization, and regarding this, we have to prepare the school's mission and vision. So, for the review of mission and vision, this meeting has been organized. So, we want your viewpoints so that we can make the better mission and vision and do the required improvements regarding IB, and which are strictly aligned to the IBDP program. So, for this reason, we have gathered here, and our DPC will tell you regarding this. So, ma'am, please.
So thank you so much, HOS ma'am, and my dear teachers, students, parents. Thank you all for joining this meeting for today. As we are going to discuss about the mission, why we want a IBDP to be in my school, to be there in my school, why we are having this authorization done, and what is the requirement, and why we want us to have a IBDP program, that I'm going to discuss a little bit. So first of all, a little bit discussion about ICSC and IB. What is ICSC and what is IB? What are the difference between ICSC? Can you just lock the door? Thank you so much. Lock the door. So, sorry about that. So we are having this meeting and we are just letting you know ICSC and IB, what are the difference. Everybody must be curiosity ki why we are doing for IBDP program and why we are just having this ICSC board and we are not satisfied with it. Maybe this question maybe rises somewhere in your mind. So let me just clear out this thing. ICSC is a program, is a curriculum that you will have it in India only. Along with the India, you can have it only and only London, UK. Rest everywhere you will not find this ICSC board is well affiliated. But if we talk about IBDP program, IBDP program is global program. You will find everywhere, every country IBDP program has an affiliation, and you get this program is basically if you want to go for an international education in graduation. Getting my point? This program is basically we are having in 11th and 12th. We are preparing our students for the diploma program in 11th and 12th so that they can go further for their university education internationally, globally. So that is the basic requirement that we are focusing on. Like the colleague has also mentioned, you can see on the board what our mission. Our mission is to cultivate curiosity, compassionate and capable individual who embrace lifelong learner. We strive to provide a nourishing environment where students develop critical thinking skill, global awareness, and a strong sense of personal responsibility, empowering them to positive impact with their community and the world. इससे हम क्या समझ रहे हैं कि हम लोगों का जो बच्चों का थॉट प्रोसेस होता है, आईबीडीपी बोलता है कि वी शुड बी अ ओपन माइंडेड, जैसे अभी राइट नाउ मैम हैज टेल यू, उसके साथ में वी कैन ऑलवेज हैव अ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डिस्कस विद इंटरनेशनल लेवल. The professors will come, they will guide you. You can always talk to the international students who are having this IBDP program already in their schools. So the mind you will having in this small city, you will get a long viewpoints, and you will have a very various kind of opportunities where you can go for your international studies. So I'm just letting you clear very clearly why ICSE and CBSE ICSE and IBD program is having difference. So this is a main difference that we are focusing, and this is the main difference we are having this IBDP program in our school. And like the mission, the vision I have already talked. Let's have the vision, please. Our vision. So this is our vision. This is a school vision. Our vision is to cultivate a community for a lifelong learner where curiosity is celebrated. Curiosity is celebrated. You know what that means? कि आपके अंदर जो जिज्ञासा है उसको हम entertain करेंगे, उसको हम excite करेंगे कि you should know. See, ICSE has a particular syllabus. There you have to go for one kind of syllabus, and in the end of the session, you will just wind up with a one kind of examination. IBDP program is not a particular kind of examination. It has a lot of thesis work where you will find yourself. अगर आप क्लास में बैठे हुए हो तो आपको क्लास में बैठकर एक टॉपिक दिया जाएगा और उस टॉपिक के बारे में आपको खुद समझना है. The teacher in ICSE, what we do is the teacher is all take the responsibility of the syllabus and they give you the lecture. IBDP program where the student is whole responsible to everything. The teacher will only guide. They are just guiding your child. आप समझ रहे हैं? टॉपिक्स जो होंगे वो खुद अपने आप बच्चे क्यूरियोसिटी के साथ में, एक लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर के साथ में और एक ग्लोबल एटमॉस्फेयर के साथ में सीखने की एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको एक हरदोई में बैठकर मिल रही है. This opportunities you will not have it in nearby cities, like ma'am already told you. यूपी में कहीं आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी कि आप डीपी प्रोग्राम में रहकर और अपना एक इंटरनेशनल लेवल का एक थॉट प्रोसेस बनाए ग्लोबली as well as locally. Let me just clear this point as well. It is both. It is for the local area also and it is global area also. Both the areas have been covered in this IBDP program. So, critical thinking is nourished. जो उनकी दिमाग की बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे आजकल बड़े क्रिएटिव होते हैं. They are very creative. They have their different mindset. हम जो है प्रीवियस जो जनरेशन है और जो आने वाली जनरेशन है, they are very different from each and other. We know very well. हमारे जो माँ बाप थे, हमारे जो उनके माँ बाप हैं, जो उनके दादा दादी हैं, so everything, every step by step, there is a changes that you have already seen, I guess, in your life. Right? तो ऐसे ही बच्चों के अंदर भी अभी आज का बच्चा जो है ये आगे जाकर और भी, you know that the technology is very much required for the upcoming generation. You know very well. So that was the reason we are introducing this IBDP program. So empowering, I am going to read this point again. We aspire to empower students to embrace the challenges. Embrace the challenges, understanding the diverse perspective and contribute meaningful to more just and suitable world. जहाँ जो दुनिया है उस दुनिया में किस तरीके से हम अपने आप को स्टैंड करना चाहते हैं, that IBDP will give you that platform to you. So again, the platform is all yours. It is very, I think, आपकी सबको गर्व होना चाहिए. You should be proud of yourself. Everybody who joins this IBDP program, because IPDP program is going to be in the future. You will see most of the school is going to opt this program. We are that kind because okay. I think one more question you must be raising in your mind कि हमें ये सब पता कहाँ से चला और हम लोग ये क्यों करना चाह रहे हैं, हम लोग क्यों इतना ज्यादा इसके ऊपर इंडल्ज कर रहे हैं, क्यों इसके ऊपर इतना ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज एज इट इज यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट कि हमारे भी ब्रदर्स आउट ऑफ द कंट्री रहते हैं. दे हैव गिवन अस दिस प्लेटफॉर्म कि आप लोग भी इस चीज को चलाइए बिकॉज फ्यूचर इज ऑल अबाउट दिस. ICSE board, CBSE board, UP board is now coming little lower side, and IPDP program is giving a very vast kind of curriculum and very vast kind of lifelong learner students. And also like ma'am said ki after school also, after you are completing your DP program, in the graduation time also you will get to know कि हमने अपनी जिंदगी में कितनी सारी चीजें सीखी हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट वुड बी कि आपने खुद सीखी है. एक होता है रेक्टिफिकेशन करना और एक होता है प्रैक्टिकली अपना उसको जीना. सो दैट इज व्हाट IPDP प्रोग्राम इज. IPDP प्रोग्राम इज नॉट एट ऑल रेक्टिफिकेशन. दे ऑल से यू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. योर माइंड इज देयर, योर लाइक देयर आर द पॉइंट्स और इंक्वायरी करना, ठीक है ना, नॉलेजेबल होना. कैसे होता है इंक्वायरी, कहाँ से आएगी? जब यू योरसेल्फ गो थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर करिकुलम एंड यू विल लेट टू नो कि अच्छा जी ये इसका इस टॉपिक को इस तरीके से भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड इन दिस कि दोज थिंग्स विल हेल्प यू इन योर फ्यूचर गोल्स ऑल्सो. जब आप बाहर जाएंगे, स्कूल के बाहर जाएंगे, कहीं पर भी आप लोग खड़े होंगे तो यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि नाउ आई एम अ IPDP प्रोग्राम स्टूडेंट, सो आई कैन एक्सप्लोर वेयर एवर आई वॉन्ट टू. हम बोलते हैं ना आपको रिजिड नहीं होना होगा. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट यू कैन, देयर विल बी अवेलेबल टू यू एवरीवेयर. सो अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड ऑन दिस कि अगर आपको अपना इंटरनेशनली, ओके लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर दिस पॉइंट वेरी क्लियरली, अगर इंटरनेशनली करियर चाहिए है और आप चाहते हैं कि आपके बच्चे जो हैं 12th के बाद में कहीं विदेश जाकर पढ़ें, तो ये प्रोग्राम आपके लिए बेस्ट प्रोग्राम है क्योंकि इसकी रिकग्नाइजेशन ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब एंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एफिलिएटेड स्कूल्स में, एफिलिएटेड प्रोग्राम्स में आता है. ओके ओके
every young mind. We are here as a teacher. We are here, and our main motto is to that today our students should be react, and they need to think why and how the something is developed. And also I will say here, the main thing is not about to cram. The main thing is about to listen, and after that need to give the response. First you need to think critically, not depend on the prophecy, not depend on the prophecy independent. You should be at the time of question, when the question is arising, that time you need to think critically and then the response. Okay, don't depend on the why.
Listen, think, and then respond.
सो फंडामेंटली इसमें क्या है कि आपको अपने आप में एक बार एनालिसिस करना है, एक बार अपने आप सोचना है, एंड वॉट एवर द टॉपिक विल बी डिस्कस, एंड उसके बाद उसके ऊपर उसका आंसर करना है. एंड लेट मी जस्ट गिव यू वन मोर पॉइंट. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर कि दिस इज राइट एंड दिस इज रॉन्ग. नो, you yourself has to experience that particular point, and आपके थ्रू क्या वो सही है, कितना सही बैठ रहा है, कितना सही नहीं बैठ रहा है, that can always guide by a teacher. But you are the person who is going to create the atmosphere or create the class culture. Okay?
And within this DP program, I will also include something more. Here, not only the subject, here the heart of the course are most important, like CAS, creativity, activity, and services. And the second thing is very POK, theory of knowledge. It's very informative and very important for all of you. And something is beyond that is called the extended essay, where you will not only read the subject, you will not only learn the subject, you will also apply. You will learn by doing. That is
Learning by doing.
That is the best point. Learning by doing. Not learning and then just writing. खाया और उल्टी कर दिया नहीं, खाया, पचाया और फिर उसके बाद उसका निष्कर्ष निकाला.
I will not say only the ICSE, especially in CBSE. what they are doing in the UP board, what they are doing, they are doing only what you need to read only the book, and after that you will you will learn it, and now give the examination. But you know, DP in within the DP, it's not. It's something beyond. Okay, and definitely you will get the marks on thinking that nobody in the world will accept the DP. And other boards are already giving the marks as per your reading or whatever your skills, but the DP is not. Where you will learn, after that you will do, and after that the teacher will.
Our latest education, that is evolved by our Prime Minister, is also going through this fundamental only. They also are working on these points also, but again, it is very difficult for them to switch over, and one day, maybe in so many years, they can find the real prospects of this.
And the third one is extended essay, where you need to write only 4,000 words to 4,000 words, and after that you will get the marks.
Sides, but also that decide the action and decision of our life. They guided how we react with the other world. They represent what we think and what are the most important for us in our life. Also, the core values are the some common core values are responsibility, respect, responsibilities, integrity, honesty, and truth. These are some common core values that we will develop through the IPDP in the student's life.
Okay, so next question I will ask, if you allow me.
Yeah, sure.
What are our key responsibilities towards our students? Okay, parents and the wider community.
I would like to answer this question as we are offering CIC SC board before last for more than 40 years. We are completely aware of our responsibility towards the students, towards the parents, and also towards the community. I would like to start with the students. For the students, we are having a responsibility that the students who are coming to us and having their dreams. So we should not only aware them with their curriculums, we have to also provide them the moral responsibilities, what things should they have in their characteristics so that they can go into the all over world and explain their learnings to the world. And for the parents, they are sending their words. Not only their words, they are their dreams. So it's our key responsibility that we should fulfill their dreams. We should not only educate their words.
Parents are the main key.
Parents are the main. And
They are the decision makers, because once they take decision, the child will fulfill the dreams. But and the parents will give the dreams. Again, पहले पेरेंट्स अपने आप ड्रीम करेगा, तब वो बच्चे के अंदर वो ड्रीम पैदा करेगा और फिर उसको पाने की कोशिश करेगा.
And most important thing that this dream should be completed by our assistant, and it is our key responsibility that we have to keep their faith. Their faith means the parent faith that they are depending upon us. And for the community, we are trying to make such kind of people. We are international mindset, and they are understanding the same cultures and the other cultures. They should respect the customs of the others, and they should create such kind of world that is free and open-minded. Thank you.
Well done.
So, the next question is, what kind of learners and individuals do we hope our students will become?
We want our students to love learning process forever. Think for themselves to be good people and would help the world.
Good. The question has been put.
The same.
Same.
Adding some points. He wants to add some points.
Independence, it is due to independence learning. For a curious student, give a certain goal within a time. So this diploma program due to time management for the students. This time we have created the program. This is not a limit, this is unlimited.
Anybody else want to ask?
Yes, sir. I want to ask one thing. What is your highest ambitions and ideas?
Okay.
Ashwini?
Our highest ambition to enable the student to understand the global understanding and to make the world better. Our aim is to make the students' future bright. They can go anywhere in the world and they will be recognized as the IBDP students, and they can get the admission anywhere in any universities if they have the certificate of IBDP program.
In India and out, everywhere.
So our highest ambition is to make the future of the students very bright, to make them successful global personality, not any national personality. So
Not
this is the
only that.
not only the national personality but also the global personality, and wherever they will go they will be recognized. Their shining will be different because they would have studied through this IBDP board. And the next things you asked, ambition and ideals. The main ideal is that the student must learn the cultures. They must be respectful to their parents, to their teachers, to the society and to this world, and they must also having the universal brotherhood, and wherever they should go, they should try their best to improve the world and give their best to this world. So they should be kind, compassionate, and they should work in collaboration and with full cooperation. They inspire others to get the acme and to get the highest point. They also motivate others and get motivated in this world. These ideals should be established in their students. Thank you.
Any other questions?
Any other question somebody wants
From parents,
from parent side?
आपको कुछ पूछना चाहे तो आप प्लीज
she wants to.
What impact is the strategy for your graduates on the world? What impact they are bringing on the world and the graduates? Okay.
Please make it more.
What impact is for your graduates on the world at now?
What impact these graduates will have?
So we are focusing on graduate to be a good human being. They should be solving problems and leading the kindness toward the world along with the community helping hands. So graduates should always think that once they have completed their diploma program for any particular school, they should be much aware of the points that they have taught in a school, that you should be kind, you should be compassionate, you should be community holder, you should always help out your elders, and you should always learn. You are strict to learn new things in the world all about.
So you should not be selfish. in any-
Yes, of course, you should never be selfish. You should be having your mind so broad that every situation you can deal out in a very easy manner. So that is also one of the focus point we are focusing after they are having this diploma program, or you can say if they are going for their graduation level. Thank you. Any other?
You surf around for the answers. Then you have your own views. Then you have your own views about the problem. Then this is called critical evaluation. When you have an all-rounded evaluation, when you think about all the corners and features, critical evaluation.
I would like to give you the example. If you want to analyze any literary work, so you would like to analyze what are the things which are in literary work. So critically you analyze what are the pros and cons. So this is called the critical analysis and the critical thinking about anything or about the things which are going outside around us in this world, and also in our curriculum. If we need any topic, we need anything, we see anything, and whatever we think critically and give our own solution. Okay, so that is called critical thinking, and it is also aligned with the learner's profile in IB. Yes, it improves the.
Inherent. We
It-
all have an inherent intelligence.
हाँ.
हमारे अंदर अपनी एक काबिलियत.
मैम को जाना.
Yes.
Can I
बस
go? I have
actually,
to go to another.
5 minutes are left. Ma'am, within 5 minutes.
So parents again.
I'm having
Students, my dear students, anybody?
having a. हाँ, यहाँ से पढ़िए.
कुछ नहीं. बच्चा, my dear students.
conclusion बोलिए.
Speak.
हाँ, speak.
बोलो बोलो बोलो. Sorry.
Faculty.
See, faculties are all trained.
They have been trained.
So
IB trained. These are IB trained teachers now.
facilities. Faculties.
What?
Faculty, so see again I'm telling you, the faculty is all trained. There are three compulsory subjects. One is English, one is mathematics, one is business management. These three subjects you have to take, okay? Along with this, any three more subjects from the science or from any other sides, we will give you the list and you can select. Okay? And again, faculty is all trained by IB. Right now, the training or workshop has been done. All the training, all the workshop of the school teachers who is going to teach in IBDP
And
program.
whoever are giving their point, they are all trained teachers.
They are all trained teachers. We have a certified training certificate also. So we can show you that also if you want to is trained now. We have a English trained teacher certified from IBDP. We have a Hindi trained teacher from IBDP. We have a business management IBDP, maths IBDP trained teacher, and other whatever subject you are having, we have that also.
Chemistry,
Chemistry, physics,
All
music.
are trained.
These are
And we have
subjects
spent say 1 lakh on each student on this training.
teacher, not
On
teacher
on teacher.
for their training. So
And-
we have a certificate also. So
And-
don't
Okay.
डर बिल्कुल मत अपने अंदर लाइएगा. I can assure you इतने साल का हमारा आपका रिलेशन है वो कभी
और
खराब
फिर
नहीं
वो एक विंडो है जो कि आपको इंटरनेशनल टीचर्स भी अपना वो देंगे.
बच्चे आपके इंटरनेशनल बच्चों से बात कर सकते हैं.
It's very interesting.
CA
CA also. Yes, definitely. But each within the 6 subject, you can make yourself, you can go in everywhere.
You have a
You-
very vast area to do whatever you want after this DP program. जैसे आप यहाँ पर पढ़ते हैं, आपने मैथ्स पढ़ा.
In IBDP you have all round. So, ma'am, आप इसको conclude कर दीजिए और vision.
Okay, the
or-
conclusion of the meeting I am going to just say, after this productive discussion in passing the diverse perspectives, we have reached a strong, concise on defining our mission and vision statement. The insights shared by the core committee and stakeholders have been involved in shaping these fundamental pillars. We are now aligned on moving forward with statement that accurate reflect our present global and future experience. Thank you so much, all my dear teachers and all my dear parents, students. Thank you, HOS ma'am, and all
And,
everyone.
Now, I have submitted these key points which I have taken from the parent side also, from the DP teachers also. They have given some main points regarding the improvement in our mission and vision, and I have submitted these key points to our DPC ma'am, means DP coordinator, and she will hand over this to HOS ma'am, and HOS ma'am will finally read the mission and vision of our school. So,
I have
please, ma'am, please hand over the mission and vision. Now, HOS finally will read, and that will be approved. This is the vision, ma'am.
So, our vision is to cultivate a community of lifelong learners where curiosity is celebrated, critical thinking is nurtured, and global citizenship is practiced. We aspire to empower students to embrace challenges, understand diverse perspectives, and contribute meaningfully to a more and just sustainable world. And so our mission is to cultivate curious, compassionate, and capable individuals who embrace lifelong learning. We strive to provide a nurturing environment where students develop critical thinking skills, global awareness, and strong sense of personal responsibility, empowering them to positively impact their communities and the world. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to HOS ma'am, thank you to DPS ma'am, and my core community teachers, my dear parents, and thank you very much for your valuable viewpoints, for your valuable suggestions to improve our mission and vision of our school. And you have given your key points, and we shall align these key points with our IBDP program and IBDP mission. And now our DPC ma'am has collected those points, and after that she has submitted to head of the department, head of the school, upper HOS ma'am, and finally we have made our vision and mission statements of the school, and soon we shall forward it for the IB consultant to approve. Thank you very much once again to everyone.
Thank you.